Hello, welcome to another video. Merry Christmas. It's been a while. Today I thought, if you remember, if you've been a fan for a while, I used to do these old videos on Screencast-O-Matic. Thought I'd come back to this so I can play Roblox, because I just got like the best thing ever. I got a whole new computer and it's a gaming one, so things should work smoothly. Screencast-O-Matic never likes me though, so we'll see. I'm gonna just check out the lighting, see what looks better, and then we'll get into it. Let's go. Okay, I gotta take one ear out so I can hear. I fixed around the lighting. I took that light. Where am I pointing? On screen, I'm pointing the wrong way. Okay, right there, that one, and it looks better. I got this light right here. That should be good enough. I've always wanted to come back to Screencast-O-Matic. It was my favorite way to record, but I got a computer last year thinking that it'd be better because basically my mom's computer completely broke and I was going to start recording on that. It was such a bad computer. So this is me and my sister's computer that we just got, and it is so good. It runs so smooth. I don't know how smooth it's going to go with Screencast-O-Matic. It's because Screencast-O-Matic hates me, but we'll see. Let's get into it. Literally my favorite part of this. It's so cool that I can have my face cam up in the corner. Okay, we're gonna play some. I don't know. Let's go to the games I play. Well, that's a lot of weird ones. kookywilliam. Oh God. We should just join him. We should just straight up join him. Where's my phone? I should probably keep it near me because he's probably gonna call me. Okay. Okay, I'm in. How smooth is it? It's actually going pretty good. I'm gonna turn on the music because so then you guys can hear me. Resume. Um, let's see if he's talking in chat. No, he's not. Is he still in this game? I'll play this even if he's not in it. Yeah, he still is. All right, let's play. This is actually a fun game. I like this. Okay, yeah, let's go to the first lucky block and then John, guess what? What? It is Christmas, so he's probably gonna say something about what he got. I got. Nice. He got Luigi's Mansion 3. What am I doing? I got a gaming laptop. Okay. Alright. I am so happy right now. Like, it's running smooth, and I'm using Screencast-O-Matic. I don't know if the face cam is running good, but oh well. If it's not, it's not. By the way, I'm gonna try and fix my face cam. There we go. This will be better soon. Okay, I'm gonna tell him I'm gonna call him, so we don't have to talk in chat. I call you. Be right back, guys. I'm gonna go get my phone. Hopefully you guys can hear him, but yeah. Hey, he can't call right now. Because he is currently, his phone's dead. Did I say okay? Oh, okay, I'm just gonna let him know. That's fine. Okay, I'm recording BTW. Alright. By the way, if I think I'm going to be getting Minecraft because I got 75 bucks from my great grandma. So, I might, buy Minecraft for the computer. And then I can record with Will on Minecraft. Like, with him not being in the same room as me on being stupid. Oh, I'm not in my zone anymore. I'm scared. I can get this anyways. Maybe get something better. Is that better? That's epic. Okay, let's use it.
Are you on your phone?
Okay, I wanted to talk a bit more, but you might have saw my dad come in. I just about paused it. And then I had to do a few things and move some things around. So I thought I'd talk about some stuff that happened. And wait, let me just quickly. I'm just gonna tell him tags because I have no idea what he said. It's yep, I was up and ah, I am ah. We woke up early and then then I played for a few hours. Nice. Haven't even started yet. Alright, so I know that this is quite a crappy video, but I just wanted to introduce you guys because I don't have any videos that aren't deleted from Screencast-O-Matic. So I thought I'd just do it again. Woo! What Alright, so I thought I'd talk about some of the things I got. This setup is absolutely trash. I wish I could show you guys right now. It's just my computer. I'll show you the light. This will stay because it's quite a good light. But yeah, it can go right over. The whole place is going to be moved. I'm going to have LED lights in the back of the video. I'm going to have other lights around because I got some things. I'm going to have a Google Home next to us. I got a Google. So we already have a Google Home Mini for my living room, but apparently they were going on like some sort of sale where you can get one free or something. So me and my sister both got one. What I'm get. Okay, so yeah, that's just what I want to tell you because I hope that what I'm get. Pardon? I'm so confused. He confuses me sometimes. Oh, I gotta open the so I can get two now. Wait, I should probably go out and do some fighting. The video's already 7 minutes long. I'm so sorry for such a crappy video, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, we're gonna play for a bit. Alright, I'm so excited to get the new setup and stuff though. We're maybe making some awesome videos. I know I've taken a bit of a break. I wasn't liking the videos I was making that much. The only series I was having fun with. Pardon, E. Oh no, where is it? Oh, there he is. This actually is trash. It doesn't even go far. No! Kooky William. I got a gun to your face. No team. Okay. But be nice. Hey, he's shooting me. He does this a lot. Now I'm stuck on the ground. This person's coming. No! Get her. Alright, there we go. Alright, I'm back at my base. Okay. This better be a better gun. Yeah, that's better. If you fling it off the ground. Alright, and then I got a sword. I'm probably going to stick to the sword. Because it just seems better. I used to be a god at this game, too. I used to play it a lot. There's Kooky William. I'll leave him alone. You. What? He's saying you in a weird way. You. Yeah. I can move my camera, guys. It's pretty epic. Oh, she's back. I'm gonna get vengeance, dude. She still has it. You have gaming. You have ROBLOX on computer. Yes. You have read it. What? Why does it tag out its own game? Like, literally the tags are so bad on this. That's what I hate about Roblox. They tag too much. Yes, I have a bear! Is it just 2 helpers? Yep. Alright, let's go. Come on, boys. We're going on an adventure with the boys. Okay. I'm so confused. Tags. Okay, you are such a bad bear. Bad boy. Oh, there we go. Now I can get it. Kooky William. What am I gonna do? I'm just gonna go around, honestly, dude. Reddit. Okay. I'm done with this freaking bear, by the way. He's actually... I can't get off. Get me off of this idiot. Thank you. Wait. Am I stuck to him forever? No. Alright. Stuff. Can you call yet? Question mark. Go on Reddit on computer. I know have. Now I know you said. I don't think he knows that it's Reddit. I know what he's trying to say though. I know have. This has literally just been. I'm gonna call this chatting with Kooky William. Get this. Okay, one sec. Dis. Oh, okay. Disc. Go. Disco. Fisco. Disco. Okay, I'm gonna end the video, guys, because this has been just chatting with some Kookies and Williams. No. Add the red. Rud. I'll get back with him in a second. Try to figure out what he's saying. Yeah, I'll try to get back and try to figure out what he's trying to say. But it's disco. See me my keyboard? My keyboard does light up. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys probably tomorrow or the next day. And we'll have the new setup. I'm setting it up tomorrow. So yeah. Bye.